Question 34, we've got our bead on our string and it's being pulled to the right here with a force of 25 newtons. Of course, it's got some weight to it as well, so it's going down with a force of mg. We're going to find out what that m is. It's being held up by a wire to here, and this wire will have some tension in it. And because we've got 35 degrees here, we can split this tension up into its two parts. The part going across to the side here, which is going to be T sine 35, opposite the angle, and the point pulling it up here, which is going to be T cos 35. But it's also got some tension going down to this point here as well. This tension is the same as this tension here because it's on a smooth bead. I'm going to split this one up as well. This is 55 degrees, so this bit opposite here is going to be T sine 55, and this bit pulling down here is going to be T cos 55. And once we've got our force diagram done, basically the maths is going to be quite quick. Pulling it to the right, I've got the 25 newtons. Stopping it, I've got T sine 35 and T sine 55. It's not moving, so it's going to equal 0. All right, I'll take it a bit slow. So that's 25 equals these two things on the other side. We're going to factorize out the T. And so what does T equal? Well, it's going to be 25 divided by those two there. And I've got 17.95 for that. 17.55 newtons, or 18 newtons, I think the answer book's telling us. So there we found out what the tension is. Now let's use the forces up and down. The forces up. The forces up were T cos 35, and we know what T is now. The force down is T cos 55. And also we've got mg pulling it down. And so putting the 18 or the 17.95 into here, I can find out that the mass is equal to 0.4498. Or the mass is 0.445, I suppose. State how you used the fact that the bead is smooth. Well, I've already said that. The bead is smooth, so the tensions are both the same. State how it's not, briefly how I explain the tension in the string would be affected if the string is not light. If the tension was not light, then the mass would be less. The tension up here would be higher because the tension here would have to be holding up all the rest of the string.